Hello, my name is Eduardo Alexander Villamil, and this is a small lesson to introduction to linguistics. When we will give a brief review of the semantic in some English speaking phonemes. We will study correct pronunciation and this different of how we is writing and how it is pronounced. Phonetics provides objective ways to describe and analyze the range of sounds that humans use in their language. More to articulatory phonetics accurately identify which speech organs and muscle and involved in the production of the different sounds of the world's language. Phonology is the part of linguistics that studies phonemes or theoretical description of vowels and consonants sounds that form a language. Phonetics and phonology seek a correct and natural pronunciation. For example, in these pronunciations in short vowels, this sound just like or e or e. For example, in, test, friend, or bid. A, this pronunciation is pronounced as an a and is found in words such as cat, can't, had, plane. In words like up, the a in short but articulates differently. For example, up, cut, lock. In long vowels, for example, a is pronounced in Spanish. A is pronounced a. You can find it in words like baby or snail. A is pronounced as a long e or e, a or a. For example, v, me, vh, or repeat. I this time is pronounced like I, but it found in words like spider, fly, night, Iceland. There are also some more similar to Spanish because the consonants sound the same. For example, bad, lab, box, they, did, gave, flag, and go. I hope it helped you learn a little more pronunciation. Greetings. See you.